If I could go back in time and give myself one thing before I started learning to code, it wouldn't be a better laptop or a faster internet connection. It would be a list of things nobody tells you, because I was blindsided by almost everything that made it hard. And I want to make sure you're not. Nobody told me that feeling stupid is part of the process. Not a sign you're doing it wrong, a sign you're doing it. Nobody told me that Googling the same error message 15 times is normal, that even senior developers do it. Nobody told me that the gap between knowing syntax and building something feels like a cliff, that there's a whole valley between tutorials and real projects. Nobody told me that imposter syndrome doesn't go away when you get good. It just gets quieter. And nobody told me how good it would feel the first time someone used something I built. That one moment made every painful hour worth it. Here's what I want you to write down right now. Confusion is not failure. It's data. When you're confused, your brain is processing something new. That's not a problem. That's the whole point. The learning curve in programming is not a straight slope. It's a series of plateaus with sudden cliffs. You'll be stuck, then suddenly, violently unstuck. Trust the process, even when the process feels like drowning. The people who make it aren't the ones who never struggle. They're the ones who kept going while struggling. Drop in the comments, what do you wish someone had told you before you started coding? Share this video with someone who just started their coding journey. It might be exactly what they need to hear today. If this video inspired you, subscribe to Byte by Byte. Comment, I will not quit. Open your editor today and write the next line of code that brings you closer to your dream.